What's up, y'all? All right, so I know I have not done, I don't know if I've ever vlogged in the past before, to be honest with you, but I really want to vlog this experience. So if y'all don't know, I am an actor and I booked a gig out in Nashville. So I'm leaving work right now to go home to pack and get everything that I need, my wardrobe and everything, because I'm gonna head to Nashville. Usually I will fly, but this time I'm gonna take a little road trip and I'm gonna drive to Nashville. I film tomorrow and Friday. It's currently Wednesday right now. So I'm filming 2 days, and I also have a showcase on Friday night back in Atlanta. So it's gonna be like a legit quick trip, but I'm super excited. So as an actor, there are so many different ways to make money, whether it's film, TV. Theater doesn't pay as much as I would love it to pay, and I think a lot of actors can agree on that. But this gig is pretty much, it's a lifestyle shoot. So I'm shooting for this company, and it's a lifestyle shoot. I'll probably show y'all the pictures whenever it's done for, but yes, it is paid, and it pays well. But that's not the point. This point is for y'all to, I'm trying to get in my vlogging bag, all right, y'all? So be patient with me, and yeah, so I'm gonna hit y'all back up once I get to my apartment, and we're gonna start the packing process. All right, y'all, so I'm about to start the packing process. It's not really gonna be a lot of things to pack anyway, simply because I'm gonna be there for legit like a day, 2 nights. So, yeah, I'm really just about to pack the wardrobe that I need. So just I sent them a few different looks that I had, and they were like, yeah, we like those looks, bring them. They may also change it up once I get there, but it's my responsibility to bring what I told them I was gonna bring. Don't mind the mess in this closet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let's see. I gotta look in my email to see what they said. Right, blue, white, black pants. Cool. They said black pants.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you all.
So I'm just gonna pack a few more things, and then I'm gonna meet y'all in the car. I might not be leaving right now. I might be leaving, in a few hours when traffic dies down, but stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all, so all packed up, and I am ready. We are on our way. This is about to be like 3 hours and 50 minutes. At least there's traffic right now. I'm supposed to get there at 8:18 Central Time, because that is the time that Tennessee, at least Nashville, is on, and Memphis and some other parts, maybe all of Tennessee, to be honest with you. But I'm on my way, stuck in traffic, of course. It's rush hour. It's 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so we might be in slow traffic for a little bit, but let's go on this journey together, y'all. I'm super, super, super excited. Excuse me if I just spat all over the place.
I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside.
Y'all, I finally made it in. Thank you, Jesus. 3.5 hours, and then I stopped at the racetrack to get gas. So I'm about to check into my hotel, see what this room is looking like. And yeah.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
404.
Breakfast and coffee is complimentary.
Awesome.
Comes with the room.
Awesome.
And then our ice machine is down this hall over there. Next to it is our gym.
Okay.
Elevator is around that blue corner to your right.
Okay.
Then the microwave is down in that corner over there. That's also where our breakfast will be at.
Perfect.
My body's excited.
Okay, it's clean, it smells good. Yeah. Yes. And then the glass shower, okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I am in the hotel, thank you, Jesus. So I'm gonna end the vlog for the night. I'm just gonna go ahead and I am going to have a wardrobe for tomorrow. Can you please? Okay, sorry, that was production texting me. But I'm gonna go ahead, get some food, probably go to Zaxby's, and then I am going to chill out. I don't have to be on set tomorrow till like 8:15. So I'm gonna chill out for a little bit, watch some TV, and enjoy this hotel. And I will catch y'all tomorrow on set. So have a blessed night, y'all. Whew. Y'all, good morning. It's like 6:30. I'm tired. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm about to go downstairs real quick to eat breakfast because I gotta be on set at 8:15. But I'd like to be there 15 minutes early, so 8, because I really gotta be there at 8:15. But we gotta go get some breakfast, and yeah, so let's go.
But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body's excited. My mind, and my heart. My body's excited. I don't know what it is.
All right, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Breakfast was a little bit underwhelming for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get some Zaxby's. Well, I have Zaxby's left over from yesterday, so I'm about to just eat that real quick. Good morning, y'all. I'm just leaving the hotel on my way to set right now. It is 7:17, I think. Yeah, 7:17. I gotta be on set at 8:15. Set is around 40 minutes away. I'm going east. Hold on. I'll see you in a second. Hold up, y'all. I gotta pay attention. Yeah, I'm on my way to set right now, y'all. So catch you on set.
I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go?
What's up, y'all? All right, so I just arrived on set 15 minutes early. You always want to make sure you arrive early because I've always heard to be on time is to be late and to be early is to be on time. So I am on time. So I'm about to walk inside, get my stuff situated and all that good stuff. It's a beautiful day out here and I'm super excited to shoot today. So let's go on it, y'all.
I think our first shot is at 9.
Okay.
I'll check with our director to see if we want to have you in the background for that.
Okay.
If not, it'll kind of be just sitting, waiting, just ready to go.
Uh-huh.
We do have breakfast here. You're hungry?
Awesome.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it, put your hands up high, hands up
All right, y'all, so we have first picture up. So I'm just waiting for my turn to shoot. And yeah, it's a really nice day out here. It's not too hot, nice little breeze, beautiful day out here. Let's go ahead and let's get shooting, y'all. All right, y'all, so I am done filming for the day. I'm about to head back to the hotel, drop my stuff off, and then I'm gonna go get me a nice meal and a nice drink and just chill out and celebrate my accomplishments for the day, to be honest with you. Yeah, so it was a good day on set. Everybody was cool. Yeah, I ain't got no complaints, so see y'all at Cheddar's.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it, your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Approach her with that Atari. Nigga came home and sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
What's up, y'all? That drive felt like forever. Next time I'm probably flying, but I'm so grateful to God for bringing me back here safely. I have a showcase tonight, so what I'm gonna do is, on set, you know, we get makeup because it's just something, if you're gonna be on camera, you need makeup. So I'm about to just wipe down my face, see? They make you up, but just for like shine and other reasons, whatever. But y'all, all in all, I had such an amazing time on set. It was so fun. Everybody was so nice, so just welcoming. They provided us with food, water, made sure that we're okay. Wardrobe, shout out to you, Kelsey. Makeup was great. Director was great. When I was leaving today, she was like, you were so easy to work with. And that's something that you always want to hear because you're building relationships at the end of the day. What if whenever they have another shoot, they're like, oh, he was so great to work with. Let's call him back. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of actors out there, y'all. So what makes you different from the next person? It could be a person you're easier to work with or just, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. So it was a great time, y'all. Tennessee was cool. The hotel was great. Yeah, y'all. So I'm just winding down for right now. It's 3-something. Yeah, it's 3-something right now. And I'm gonna go take a quick nap, get prepared for this showcase tonight. And I know I said I was gonna end this vlog earlier, but no, I'm not about to do that. Well, I was gonna end it in Tennessee, but I was like, let me just do a little recap. But all in all, y'all, I really enjoyed this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it too. So as I finish up this whole facial thing going on, I just want to say thank you all so much for tuning in to yet another episode with your boy. There's many more vlogs. I have so much great content. I have so much great content coming out, y'all. Like, Campus Tours is amazing. But I want to branch out. I want to do vlogs. I want to show y'all more of me. You know what I'm saying? So, and what I do. So, you know, look out for that. And yeah, y'all. So, Oh Lord, I'm getting water all over myself. But I truly appreciate y'all's support, and dang, I might the freak. Whew, goodness gracious. Listen, don't judge this paper towel, okay? I don't have no cotton rounds or anything like that. Oh, shoot! Ah! God dang, that burns. Oh, my goodness. Oh, shoot, my eyes. Oh, whoa. I probably should have diluted that. All right, for real, y'all. This time, I'm going for real. But yes, y'all, thank you for tuning into this video. I'm about to get a nap, so until the next one, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.